What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you a very cool trick to save you the most battery life on the Galaxy A72. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. We have the Galaxy A72 right here, and I'm going to be showing you how to save battery life. As you guys know, most of you have location on. So if you guys are on your phone right now, go ahead and check if you have location not on. Definitely go ahead and put in the comment section down below if you do or you don't. But what a lot of people don't actually know is location wastes your battery constantly. So I'm going to show you how to mitigate that right now. I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Not to mention that you're always being tracked if you have your location on, so you're going to get other ads that are aimed towards you and other things like that. There's just a bunch of downsides to constantly having location on, other than draining your battery life, of course. But what we're gonna go ahead and do is click off location right here. Just go ahead and show you how this works. We're gonna go ahead and click off location. We're gonna clear this out, and this is going to be very, very simple, so all you have to do is follow along. So what we're gonna do is go to settings right here. So go ahead and click that gear icon, scroll all the way down until you see advanced features. Once you see that, we're gonna go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to go to Bixby routines. So if you guys don't have this on, make sure you turn this on. Make sure that's blue. Now, once that's on, we're going to go ahead and click inside of here. And we have our Discover, our Add Routine, and our My Routines tab. We're going to go ahead and click on Add Routine. Once we're here, we're going to click on the if. So add what will trigger this routine. So we're going to go ahead and add this routine. We're going to go ahead and click App Opened. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on App Opened. Now click all of the applications that you utilize location with. Now in my case, I'm only using Maps, so we're gonna go and type in Maps. We're gonna go and click on that, click Search, click Done, and then we're gonna click Then. Now once we're here, we're gonna go ahead and click on Location. Click on Location again. If you guys didn't find it, you guys can go ahead and search it up as well. There's a little search bar for your convenience right there. And then we're gonna go ahead and click On. And then after that, click Done, click Next, and we can actually color this and put a logo on whatever this needs to be. Also, you can rename this if you would like to as well. I'm just going to keep it as this. Let's go ahead and click this calendar, click Done, and now that is saved. So this is a really, really cool feature. I'm about to show you how this works. As you guys see, location is off. Now, what we're going to go ahead and do is open up our Maps application. Now, since we opened that up, location is actually going to go ahead and turn on automatically, which is really, really cool. And this is only going to turn on when you open up the application that you want utilizing location. Now, if we actually go out of this application, so we back out, close the application, location actually turns off. So you're not wasting unneeded battery. You're not keeping that on, and you're not constantly getting scanned and tracked and whatever. There's just a bunch of different downsides of having location on, but that is how you save a ton of battery life. I thought that was a really cool trick, but hopefully this video did teach you something new. If it did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not a part of the Tech King already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech King.